Alright guys, I'm hoping you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trendy Reacts, and in today's video we'll be doing some coding in Java, and particularly we'll discuss about the print statement. So how to print something in Java. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Most of you just watch the video and never ever subscribe, so please subscribe to my channel and I'll be making more such videos. And let me know what other programming language you want to learn. So okay, I have my Eclipse, and the very first thing I want to do is I want to create a class. I have made a project already named practice. I'll make a class maybe trial, I guess. Okay, perfect. We have a public class trial, and inside this class we're going to be writing our code. So okay, so the very first thing which I want to do is I want to create a method. So I'll probably make it public static void main. So I'll start with the main one. This is from where the code starts to execute. So I'll go with string args. Yep, perfect. Oh, it's not over there. I make mistakes pretty often, guys, so don't mind. And okay, so we have a static method called main, and main is the method from where the code usually starts. So in this particular case we are gonna print. So okay, the very first thing which I want to print, let's say, is hello world, or please subscribe to my channel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell the system to print in the output. And you see we have a couple of options. We can print a boolean, we can print a character, we can print a double, float. Basically we can print any kind of variable. So okay, I'll put these brackets, and inside these brackets I'm gonna put these double quotes. So inside these double quotes it's gonna print whatever I want it to print. So let's say I tell it to print please subscribe. Yep. If I click on run, it's gonna print please subscribe. Yep, there you go, please subscribe. Anything, even if I do add an exclamatory mark, and if I tell it to print this thing again, it's gonna print the exclamatory mark as well. And yep, there you go. That's the first very basic thing. You just say system.out.print, and it's gonna print anything you say inside these double quotes. So okay, let's say I add another print line, for example. I'm gonna copy paste this thing because I don't want to waste time in writing. And okay, inside this, let's say I say please subscribe, like, share, I guess. Yep, there you go. Let's see what it prints. It should print everything together. Yep, there you go. So it prints please subscribe, like, and share, like I said, inside these double quotes. But the problem is, now what if I want this like and share to be on the next line? So for that, we have another way to do it. So I'm gonna say print ln. For me in the beginning, guys, it was really confusing. I didn't know what ln was, but once I realized, it became pretty easy. So what it does is, you'll see. Okay, before that, even I'll enter over here. I don't want to mess up. So okay, all right, perfect. So what it does is it goes to the next line. So please subscribe is printed on one line, and now the like and share thing is printed on the other line. So yeah, like that. I can add something more like system.out.print in something more, like hello. Yep. So it's gonna also print hello on the next line. Exactly. So we have please subscribe, we have like and share, and hello. So yeah, this is if you want to print something inside the double quotes. Now let's say I want to print some variables. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to declare some variables. Let's make it public. Integer, probably let's say a, and I'll put this a equals to 9. And yeah, okay, let's make it static, I guess. Yep. So okay, but actually, you know what, never mind, I'll just remove this as well. Yeah, okay, now it doesn't show the error because yeah, I can say I can declare an instance variable inside a method. It has to be a local variable, so we have an integer equals to 9. Now let's say I want to print the value of a, which is equals to 9. I mean, one thing I could definitely do is just literally say it to print 9, but let's say I just want to print the value of 9. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again paste this thing, and inside these quotes I'm going to remove all this content inside the bracket, and I'm just going to say a. Probably I'll also put an ln so that doesn't print on the same line because that's going to look a little weird. I'm going to click on run, and let's run this thing. Perfect, there you go. So we have the value as 9. So like that. Okay, I'm going to declare some more variables. Let's say I'm going to say integer b equals probably 1, or any number, doesn't matter, and I'm going to do this, and yeah, I'll just put b again. Perfect, there you go. So we also have 1. Now let's say I want to print the sum of a and b. That's again super easy. So I'll again copy paste system.out.print. I'll probably put ln, oops, not capital, should be small, print ln, yep. And now I'm gonna say sum of a plus b. So I'll say a, I'll put an addition sign, and I'll say b. So now it should print the value of 9 plus 1, which should be 10. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is for integer, you can even declare some other types. So let's say I declare some string. Let's say something, let's say I say C. And in the string, I put the double quotes. So remember, in string, we have to put the double quotes because string is just like alphabets, right? So I'll say good work. I'll put this as well. So it's going to show a warning sign because we haven't used C yet. So it's wondering what to do with that C. So don't worry about that. I'll put this, and now I'll say C. Now it should also print the value of C. Let's see if it does or not. Yeah, good work. Okay, so like and share. Oh, please subscribe, like and share. Hello, and it prints the value 9, 1, and the sum of 9 and 1, and then good work. Perfect. So just like that, you can declare some other variables as well, like character and all the other variables. So that's it for print. And okay, now first of all, what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to print some method. So first I'm going to declare a method. So let's try a method called what should we do? Okay, let's public integer, so we'll have the return type as integer, and let's say I want to find the difference. Yeah, maybe I'll do this. I'll put the parentheses. Yep. So we have a method which is public, and it has a return type of integer, so it should return an integer, and the name of the method is toDifference. I'm gonna put return, let's say I put a plus b. Okay, so it's gonna show an error in a plus b because I haven't declared any variable a and b, so it's wondering what to do. So okay, first maybe what I'll do is I'll declare a variable public. I'll make it static integer a, so it removes the error from a, and I'll make another variable integer b, for example. And maybe let's assign some value to integer a. For example, let's say 9, and for this let's assign it as 3. So yeah, we have a method declared which is going to find the difference. Okay, I'll name it find. 2 doesn't sound that good, so okay, I'll say find difference, and we return an integer, and it basically returns the difference. I'll make it minus. Yep. So okay, now I'll go back to my main method, and I'm gonna actually I can just copy paste it. So yeah, I keep forgetting about copy paste, so don't mind that, guys. So inside this I have a method called find difference. So let's try if we can do this. Find difference. I'm not gonna copy paste this because I don't wanna lose that copy paste which I had. Wait, actually, did I spell it wrong? Okay. So, okay, I think we need to declare some local variables inside that. So, probably I'll say integer a, and I'm gonna plug in the value of integer a as maybe 3, I guess. Oh, shows an error. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we need to change the type of this as static. Yeah. Okay. So we need to make it static. Yep. It's perfect now. It should work now because, yeah, this is a static type. So we can't really refer to a non-static method inside a static method. So I have made it static now. So it's accessed by the main method now. So, okay. I could have, I think, also removed the static from this method. That should also be fine, but I guess I don't want to. So, okay, let's see what the output is. Gonna click on run as, and yep. Oh, it says 0. Okay. Yeah, so it's the difference. So yeah, it has to be 0. Perfect. Okay, I forgot to put ln now. So let's put ln on both, and it should print on the next line because it doesn't look good, right? Like good work and 0. Yep. So now we have 0 on the next line. So it basically returns the difference of the variables a and b. So I declared a as 3 and b was static, so it remained as 3. And yeah, we have 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So in this way, yeah, you can use print statement to print anything. Maybe I'll try a boolean statement now. Let's see if the boolean statement works. So I'll declare a static method, which is public. I'll return a boolean, which means it's going to return either true or false. So I'll name it anything, maybe is true or not. So it's going to return if a equals b or not. So, okay, let's go down. Let's see if it works out. So, oh, never mind. I removed this. Okay, I'll copy this, and I don't want to write it again, guys. It's too much work for me. So, okay, now I'll go up and maybe I'll try to copy this and paste it down on our print statement over here. And okay, first thing first, I'll put this. So it doesn't show any error, any syntax error. Let's see if it works. So it prints false. Yes, so it has to print false because we have 3 as b and 9 as a. So yeah, basically they both can never be even. So yeah, it's gonna print false. Let's see if I try this. Now it should print a true because this basically means that it should be uneven to each other. So let's run the program again and let's see if it prints a true or not. Yeah, so it prints a true. Basically that means that both these values are not even. So yeah, it's gonna print true. So yeah, just like that, you can declare more methods. Maybe I'll try static integer division, I guess. Name it like this, and it's gonna return b divides by a. Oops, I messed up with the spelling. So yeah, in coding you have to be really careful with the spelling and very specific. Even a lowercase and uppercase matters because it's a computer and the compiler doesn't know what to do. Oh, I forgot again. I hope you don't mind this, guys, but yeah, basically I want to copy paste it. Why should you work hard when it won't get you anything? So I'll first put this, and inside it I'm gonna go back again up. I'm gonna copy paste the division. Yep, division. Let's see if it prints the division of b and a together. Oh, it says 0. Okay. Okay, so b over a. Okay, so I think I need to change it to a over b because it's of integer type, right? So it can't be that. Okay, I'll make it a over b. Yep, so we have 3. So basically, yeah, we can do b over a because that's like 3 over 9. And yeah, it's of integer type, so it's going to return as 0. I think if I make it double, it should probably return the exact decimal. But yeah, let's keep things simple. And yeah, I'll say just a over b. And yeah, it should return the value of a over b, which is 3 over there. So we have the output. We have all these statements which began from please subscribe, like and share, hello, all these literal strings which I declared inside the print statement. Then it prints the value of a, b, it returns the sum, and then c, which I declared as a string, it prints good work over there. And then yeah, we have 0 again, and then we declare all these methods, and yeah, we have the value. So it prints true because the value of a and b weren't equal, and it prints the value 3, which is the division method in which we divide the values of a and b. And yeah, in this case I put a 3 over here because yeah, I need to declare some local variable because I have declared one over here. And I think if I remove the local variable from here and if I remove this from here, yep, now it doesn't want any argument because there's no argument in the method. So yeah, now it should I think it should take the instance variables which I declared in the class, and yeah, it prints a 6. Yep, so it basically subtracts a from b, which is 9 minus 3, and it should be equal to 6. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature, guys. You can just print anything you want. You can use any method and print the value of any method. Just make sure you refer it correctly. If it's a static method, then it should be referenced inside the static method only. So yeah, if I think I just make it non-static, it's not gonna work probably. So yeah, I need to make it static, and static basically means that the method is accessed by the entire class. So yeah, you can print using anything, and usually in programming what I've heard from my experience is that you have to use these print statements as often as you can so that you have a track of the values of the variables. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is for the print statement. You can use it, and we have a couple of other statements with print as well, but this is like the most basic ones which I think you should know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did make a few mistakes in between, but I'm also a student, so I hope you didn't mind that. But yeah, this is it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video very soon with some more programming stuff. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, check out my previous videos, and I'll see you guys soon.